inside your bedroom. We stopped counting the days, lost in the rhythm. Physical silence, no need to speak a word. Lay here beside me. Don't wanna move too fast. Your lips on the floors, sipping on your love, sipping on your love. I never dare to ask if we're gonna last. I'm needing all your love, needing all your love. One look and I breathe.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome. My name is Princess Amara. Today I'm doing something really simple. It's something you already know, more like an updated look. So my current row is actually easy for this crochet install. You don't have to do yours this way. There are different trending cornrows for crochet install on YouTube. I've seen a couple, but this is easier for me, so I went with this. So this is a handmade pre-colored and pre-twisted Nubian Twist for crochet install. It has a silky human hair texture. The cord ends last longer and can be recolored, but it has limited color options. So if you're going for this, just know that we don't have a lot of color options. We also have this Nubian Kinky twist, which is slightly different from the Nubian twist without the cord tips. The Nubian Kinky twist is slightly coarse and the tips gives off the dreadlock vibe. It has more and lots of color options than the Nubian twist. We have it both in tapered, shave size and full head option. So we have more of the Nubian Kinky twist color options and we have less of the Nubian Twist color options. The link to each of the products I just mentioned is in the description below.
Have the strangest feeling, don't know what to believe in. Every time you touch me, I can't control my body. Oh, baby, you are on my mind. All I think about, and I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop. Could you come closer to me? I just can't resist you. I'm giving up. I'm giving up. I am stuck in a dreaming. I can't help what I'm feeling. I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me.
If you have questions for me, please leave it in the comment section. Please like and share. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.
I look into your eyes and everything is different.